Welcome folks. In this video I'll show you how to reinstall your Mac OS to get back the lost space, hard disk space. This is one of the painful issue which everyone come across with Mac. Before you come to a conclusion that you have to reinstall your Mac OS to retrieve the space, I would suggest you follow the standard Apple suggestion of first clearing the clutters and emptying out bin and removing all the caches. To remove the caches, you can use Spotlight to access library cache folder, but I would caution you guys to do it carefully. If you don't know what you are deleting, then you may corrupt your OS files. So if you are sure whatever you are deleting is not going to create any problem, then go forward or learn what all things can be safely deleted before doing it. After completing the standard steps, if you did not get back enough space, then you should probably try installing an app called Omnidisk Sweeper. I'll give the link for Omnidisk Sweeper in the description. This is the screen of Omnidisk Sweeper. It will allow you to go in depth into the folder structure to see what are all the big files which occupies the space and delete it. But again, you should know what all things which you can safely delete. After doing all the cleaning process, this is my hard disk space currently. So out of 120 gig, I have left with only 8 gig, despite moving most of my application into my external hard drive, SSD drive, but still I'm not able to get enough space to work on. So look at here, the other 70 GB is gone. It's basically all applications cache and other things, it's now unrecoverable space. So I'm planning to reinstall, erase my hard disk and reinstall Mac OS from a recovery disk. So I had completed my time machine backup, and all my applications are already there in my external drive. So I'm going to reboot and reinstall. Just press Command R while restarting. You will get the recovery panel with the option to reinstall and erase the disk and disk utility. From there you can decide what you want. I'm selecting disk utility because I wanted to erase my hard disk and then reinstall. So what you're seeing is my disk utility panel. So here you select the option erase volume group. That is a suggestion by Apple. Then you press erase, then your entire disk will be erased and you will have a fresh disk to reinstall your OS. I have started the erase process. So my disk is getting erased now. It should get over in a few minutes, and we should see, yep, where it's done. So I got back 117 gig. So I'm going to reinstall my Mac OS Big Sur from recovery disk. Okay, then you follow the standard procedure, reinstallation procedure which comes on the screen. So I'm selecting my internal hard drive. I have a few external hard drive, SSD drive, so it is showing all my drive. So I'm installing in my Mac SD drive. So it's all done, reinstallation done. You can see my current space. I have close to 50 gig now free. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please like, share and comment.